Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here in the kitchen, and I recently did a Trader Joe's haul video, but a lot of you guys have been asking me, messaging me, DMing me on how this was, and I haven't tried it yet. So this is the Kimbap. Looks like a little sushi roll here, and I'm gonna try that today. But I'm also gonna try the ravioli. I got some water over there boiling. And we also have the olive fugasse. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but olive bread. So I'm gonna try the kimbap and the ravioli. This is Italian bolognese ravioli. It only takes 3 minutes to cook, so I'm gonna get that in there. And the kimbap, as you can see, looks really good. It's a Korean tofu and vegetable seaweed rice roll. And when we look in the ingredients here, so I'm not gonna read everything in here, but it's basically seasoned rice, some fried tofu, and burdock root. This comes in the frozen department, and the instructions say to open the package, heat on high for 2 minutes in the microwave, let stand for a minute. I've actually had this thawing out in the refrigerator, so I probably could eat this as is. But let's do what they say. Since this isn't frozen, I'm gonna only put it in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds and see how that comes out. I also wanna make a little sauce here. I know that it's really good with like soy sauce or something, but I've got this sriracha sauce by 24 Vegan, and I've also got some vegan mayo. Usually I have veganese. This is the Sir Kensington. So I'm just gonna make kind of a little sauce here. A little bit of that mayo and just a tiny bit of sriracha because, you know, I don't like my stuff a little too hot. Although I think I need a little bit more there. We at least want to make it like a reddish color. It smells really good. All right, let's open this up. I think it says it wants it to microwave with that in there, but this is how many pieces you get. You get 9 pieces right here. So what it looks like. There it is. So I actually put it in there for about a minute, so it is warm. They also suggested that if you wanted, you could put this, like you could pan fry it on each side. 1 minute in the microwave. It is a little bit hot. I normally eat my sushi cold. I'm gonna let this cool off for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna put these in the boiling water. It says it only takes 3 minutes, so. That's what they look like. Italian bolognese. 3 minutes, let's do it. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of sauce on those ravioli, just like that. And I'm just using some tomato basil sauce from Wegmans. Okay, I got some ravioli and I got these sushi things. So we need chopsticks. I do have the sauce that I made, and I usually dip my sushi into soy sauce. I like to use Bragg's liquid aminos instead if I don't have any soy sauce. That's what it looks like. I should probably take a bite of it before I put any sauce on it, just to see how it tastes. It's pretty good. I'm very picky with my sushi because it can be make it or break it for me the way that the seaweed is, because I don't normally like seaweed. Sometimes if I eat it and I can't really taste it and it doesn't get kind of stuck in my mouth, then I'm good with it. But if it does, like I can't eat the sushi. This seems to be pretty decent. So now I'm going to put a little bit of this sauce that I made on one of them. Kind of like a little dollop like that. That looks nice. Dip it in a little bit of aminos, soy sauce. All right, that is really good. It is really good. So I think it was like $4 for this whole roll. It's a pretty big roll, and that's probably what you would pay if you went out and got sushi at a store or something like that. It's really good, I gotta say. The fried tofu in there and the veggies. You know, I put it in there for a minute and I thought it was gonna be too hot, but it's already cooled off and Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna give that a 2 thumbs up on that sushi roll. I would definitely buy that kimbap again. So now we're gonna move over to Italian, and let's see how this ravioli tastes. This only took 3 minutes, so it's done. I've got nothing to complain about. It's good. Tastes like a ravioli. Maybe I'll try one with not too much sauce on it to see if I can taste the inside a little better. It's got a nice filling. Let's see if I can cut into one to show you what the inside looks like. I don't know. They're pretty thin, so it doesn't look like I can cut into it. Oh, there it goes. It's like a vegan crumble, like a vegan meat. Very good. And I've actually already had these before, and I just want to say these are really good. And since I'm taste testing things, I wanna, Craig brought these over. We did a live stream where we made s'mores out back, and these are the chocolates that Hercules Candy makes. It's a candy company that's been around for over 110 years, probably 115. And he does videos there, and they also have a whole vegan line. This is their chocolate. It is really good. So I'll leave a link to Hercules chocolate in the description below, but I just had to say that before I ate it. Thank you, Craig. Vegan chocolate. It's like a milky chocolate. It's really good. It doesn't taste like your average dark chocolate. I have an obsession to dip these in peanut butter. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I had enough people ask me what these tasted like and what I thought, so instead of answering everybody individually, I thought I'd do a video for it. So there it is. Go ahead and smash the like button if you liked it. You guys can get t-shirts and merchandise, my ebook, link below. Subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna finish off this sushi kimbap.